Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Baby Musical Instruments Montessori wooden toys for toddlers. If you're on the hunt for the best one-year-old baby gifts, this set is absolutely something you should consider. It's the perfect mix of fun, safety, and educational value, making it a top choice for parents who want to introduce their little ones to the world of music and rhythm early on. This Montessori-inspired musical instrument set is designed with toddlers in mind, helping them develop important skills while they play. The set includes a variety of percussion instruments like a modern boho xylophone, drums, and maracas, each crafted from high-quality wood. The neutral color palette makes it an aesthetically pleasing addition to any nursery, aligning perfectly with boho or gender-neutral themes. But what really sets this toy apart is its focus on early childhood development. The Montessori approach encourages exploration, creativity, and independent learning, which makes this musical set ideal for toddlers aged 1 to 3. As they play, kids will improve their fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and even their sense of rhythm. And with each instrument producing a different sound, your child will begin to distinguish between various pitches and tones, which is great for their auditory development. Safety is always a priority, and this set delivers in that area too. It's 100% BPA-free, non-toxic, and easy to clean. Parents can have peace of mind knowing that these toys meet the highest safety standards. Plus, they are made to withstand the wear and tear of toddler play, so they'll last for years to come. Another fantastic feature of this set is that it doubles as both a toy and a decor piece for the nursery. The calming, natural colors help to keep babies focused and engaged, making it the perfect toy for moments of quiet play or learning. It's not just a fun activity, it's an educational experience that helps your little one grow. This set also makes for a wonderful gift. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or just a special surprise, it's a perfect way to start your child's musical journey. The set promotes parent-child interaction, which helps to build stronger relationships and encourage bonding through play. In conclusion, the Baby Musical Instruments Montessori wooden toys set is the best one-year-old baby gift for parents looking to combine fun and learning. It's safe, durable, and promotes creativity and musical appreciation in your toddler. With its neutral colors and educational benefits, it's an investment that will keep giving for years as your child grows. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews and recommendations.